this is my back health care session. Okay, just remember, if you feel any pain, any sharp pain, stop immediately and consult your doctor. Okay, we're going to start off with some shoulder retractions. Okay, so I want you to rotate your shoulders backwards. Nice and steady. A lot of these movements we're going to do really slow. Anything to do with the back, keep it slow. 4 more. Brilliant. Okay, and let's repeat that, but bring it forward. And warm that upper back. Okay, 2 more. That's lovely. Okay. Slight bend in your knee. We're going to do some lateral side stretches. Okay, so make a C and just lean over gently. Remember, don't lean back. Keep feet flat to the ground. Bring it over. Breathe. You should feel it all down here. Hold. And release. Very slowly, no jerky movements. So basically a nice warm. 3, 2, 1. Then we're going to do an upper trapezius stretch. What to do, put one arm on your back. Keep your shoulder down. You don't want to be doing this, so keep your body straight and just bringing your neck over towards your shoulder. Keep your shoulder down. You'll feel the stretch here. 10, 9, 8. And release slowly. You might find you have one side that's easier than the other. Keep that shoulder down. That's that shoulder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release slowly. Take a deep breath. Now, if you've been sat down for a while at work or at home, you're putting a lot of friction in your lower spine. So here's a little exercise to help release that. So stand up. I'll turn to the side. All you've got to do, clamp your hands up here and push up. That's 7 seconds. And release. That's one thing you can do. Just do it again in front. Just releases all that built up friction that's built up while you've been sat down. There you go. An alternative is the WY exercise. Just squeeze your back. So you're doing that. This is your W. I'm going to go into a Y. Just 4 more. There we go. Now, we're going to do some floor work now. We're going to do typical dog and camel maneuvers, or dog and cat. So we're going to do the dog first. You're probably familiar with this, but the main point is knees or legs shoulder width apart. Most people are too narrow. You need to stabilise yourself, so you need to have your legs quite wide apart. So this is the dog. Make sure your hands are under your shoulder. This is the dog maneuver. I'm going to do this for 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go into the camel or the cat. We should arch your back up. Drop your hips in. Legs in and hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to dog. Breathe. And return to camel. This is the one that I feel the most because I sit at a computer most 5 days. And let's repeat that again. Dog. And the camel. And release. You can do those as many times as you feel comfortable doing. But now we're going to move to my favourites. Now the key to these exercises, they will be a little unfamiliar to you at first. But the more you do them, the more relaxed you are at doing them, and then you'll feel the benefits. But at first you'll feel a little bit uncomfortable and a little bit tense. But keep doing them, and eventually you'll relax while you're doing them, and that's when the benefits come. First thing we're going to do, lie on your back. Remember, lower yourself really carefully. And we're going to hug yourself, or hug your knees. So bring your knees up as far as you can. Now I can get them like here. If you can't, just bring them here, and basically you hug yourself. Bring your knees in as far as you can, and breathe. Breathe out. You can hold this for about 7-10 seconds, and you can release. Let's do that again. You bring them in, bring your knees to your chest. Hug. You're opening your lumbar spine. That's like your L5, your L4 vertebrae. You're opening this up. Just feel a nice stretch. Now, when you're in this position, you're going to start rolling very gently to the left and right. Like this. What this is doing is once you are relaxed, this is opening, this is loosening your pelvis up. So you're making it all moving. This is something you have to get used to because you're quite tense when you're doing this. You want to make sure you're doing it right, but once you're familiar with it, you learn to relax, and that really loosens your pelvis up. I can do this for quite a long time. Okay, then release, remember? And don't do any jerking movements. Going to bring your leg up, one leg, hold it. You can either hold it here or here, just bring it to your chest as far as you can. And then I want you to take it in a breath. And as you let that breath out, pull it even closer. And then release. Do it with the other leg. Bring it up. Bring it as close as you can. Take a deep breath in. And as you let that breath out, pull in a little bit more. Feel that stretch. repeat that. These are really good to do if you're watching a TV program. You can get on the floor, or in the commercial breaks and about your program. You'll feel really good afterwards. There we go. Now, the other thing you can do is bring your knees up, heels up to your butt. Now we're just going to lean over to the one side, keeping your shoulders flat on the floor. You're going to bring your knees over. You'll feel the stretch here. Go as far as you can. Keep the move nice and slow. And hold that. Breathe. Center and to the side. Inhale. Again, you might find one side more tight than the other. Various versions of this you can do. Show you another one. I'll simply watch you do this one. A little more difficult. Bring it back. Okay. Bring yourself nice and gently up. Now when we're sitting down a lot, our hip flexor, which is this one here, that gets weak, especially when sitting down a lot. So we're going to stretch that out now. So if you haven't got a pad, get a tea towel, fold that up, put it onto your knee. Basically doing a lunge, just like this, chest up. I'm going to lean forward slightly. And we're stretching your hip flexor muscle here. So we stretch it like this. We can even slightly bounce. Just stretch it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, come out of these moves slowly. Repeat that. Go back as far as you can, it's comfortable for you. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The more you do this one, you'll see the difference. Okay, an alternative to this, which helps with your back, is the psoas muscle. The psoas muscle is part of the hip flexor, and I'm going to slightly angle it around a bit. So, stand up, go into a lunge position, just like this. But this time, you're going to raise your hand up, and you're going to press up to the ceiling, lean over to your bent leg, and then rotate your shoulder back. It's a little more difficult, like this. And straight away, I can feel that in my lower back. It really hits that muscle. 17. Let's say to do this about 4 times. Lay out, Up straight. Arm up, press up to the ceiling. Lean over to your bent leg. And then rotate your shoulder back. You can repeat that as many times as you like. Otherwise, shake yourself up. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Oh, feel that stretch. Okay. And that's it. Thank you very much. Join me next time. Be safe.